RWG here. What we're looking at is my key lime tree, and this is the mother. Back in 2022, I did some cuttings off of this tree, about 5 or so inches, and now those are fruiting. This tree has been through a lot of trials and tribulations. At the beginning of the season, spring, it was darn near naked. I had no leaves on it. And what happens is, I believe that keeping it in the garage is the biggest issue. There's not enough light source in my garage. It is warm enough to have the tree survive, but what happens is I have a lot of dieback, and it takes almost the entire summer for it to bounce back and look like this. That's not bad. All that is new growth. When I say this looked like a skeleton, it looked like a skeleton. I had like maybe 2 or 3 leaves on it. And what I did is I severely cut it back. And everything that you see that's green, about 90%, 99% of it is new. So it's October the 6th. And if you live in the DMV area, zone 7, more than likely 9 times out of 10, you are growing your citrus in a pot, which means that by at least October the 15th, all your citrus, all your delicate trees that are in pots must be inside. This tree is very sensitive to cold, and it cannot stay outside during the winter. I'm starting to see flowers, which is a great thing. I've been waiting on that. But what I don't want to do this year is have the plant start over, fighting to survive, getting leaves, getting new green, just to flower at the end of the season, and I get nothing for next season. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this plant. I'm going to remove all the weeds, such as that. I'm going to clean underneath the leaves, make sure I bring no pest in the house. This tree will sit in the house this year. This is what I use, neem oil, and I spray it down, and what it does is any bugs that are, well, pretty much all bugs that breathe, it chokes them out. So we're going to clean this up, go through the soil, spray neem oil, bring her inside this year. She's going to sit in the living room. Thanks for watching.